Guys, welcome back. Today, let's know what is characteristic strength, that is FCK. First of all, why have I chosen this topic? Because this FCK is needed for the design purpose of structure which can bear load without any failure. So let's start understanding characteristic strength with a simple example. Suppose we make 100 cubes of 150 into 150 into 150 mm size of concrete. Now, after 28 days of curing, we will have to test all these cubes. Now, let's just assume that what will be the compressive strength or the characteristic strength of these 100 cubes after 28 days of curing. So, assuming FCK as 25 Newton per mm square. So, what have I done is, I have assumed that the characteristic strength of these 100 cubes after 28 days will be 25 Newton per mm square. Now, when we test all these cubes, we get results. Now, these are just the assumed results. We can get 20.1, 23.2, 21.1, 20.9, 24, and we can even have as 25.1, 25.7, we can have 29.8, 29.9, and it can even go till suppose 42 Newton per mm square. Now I wanted to notice you one thing. These five values are less than 25 Newton per mm square, and the rest of the values which we obtained after the result are greater than 25 Newton per mm square. So 5% of the result of 5 cubes are having their compressive strength less than 25 Newton per mm square, and the remaining 95% or the 95 cubes are having more than 25 Newton per mm square. So through this whole example, I wanted you to know that what is characteristic strength. After the test results, 95% of the cubes should have more than 25 Newton per mm square as their characteristic strength, and only 5% of the cubes should have less than the assumed compressive strength. Now let's check it out once, the exact definition of characteristic strength, that is given in IS 456/2000. So in IS 456/2000 on page number 67, clause number 36.1, you can see the definition. The term characteristic strength means the value of the strength of material below which not more than 5% of the test results are expected to fall. Yes, so all I wanted you to understand is, if 100 cubes are made, more than 95 cubes should have their compressive strength as 25 Newton per mm square. That is, 5 cubes shall have their strength below 25 Newton per mm square. I hope this example was useful, you understood it well, and that's all for today. See you in my next video. And if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe.